Hey Thunder Vision, I'm Anthony.
And I'm JP.
And we're live from my kitchen. Today we're going to teach you how to make my world famous meatballs using my family's secret recipe.
So today our ingredients are meat, salt and pepper, garlic powder, parsley, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and a singular egg.
Now I'm going to show JP how to make our meatballs. First he's going to place the meat in the bowl. Now he's going to place the garlic powder in the bowl. And since it's our family's secret recipe, we really don't have measurements and it's all done by eye. So I'll tell JP when to stop. Our next step is the parsley. And with the same thing, there's no exact measurements, so it's just when I tell him to stop.
Alright, JP, that's good.
Our next step is now the breadcrumbs. Alright, JP, that's good. Our next step is the cheese. And we like to use a lot of cheese. We like our meatballs really cheesy. Good enough. Next, he's going to do a couple cranks of salt and pepper. That's good. Okay. And now lastly he's going to crack his egg. Alright, for our next step, JP here is going to mix the meatballs with his hands, and it involves getting his hands dirty, so let's see how good of a job he does.
These look really good, Anthony. Next, Anthony and I are going to show you guys how to form our delicious balls.
First, you're going to want to take a piece of meat about the size of your palm. And you're going to want to roll it in your hand, cupping it nicely to make a nice, even sized ball. This amount of meat should yield about 6 meatballs, give or take the size that you choose.
Next, Anthony and I are going to take our delicious balls and put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Anthony and I's delicious balls are ready, and now I'm going to take you guys to the next step. Up next, Anthony and I are going to take our balls and put it in our sauce.
And next, I'm going to stir them up to get them all covered by the sauce. Alright, and for our final step, we're going to plate our balls. First, we're going to put 3 meatballs in a plate. 1. And then we're going to top it with some ricotta cheese. Alright, let's taste them and see how they taste. They're pretty good.
These are pretty freaking
Those are
good.
good.
I think they're good too.
Good meatballs. I'm gonna have another one.
Well, anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching us how to make meatballs. I hope one day you can go and replicate our recipe. Thunder Vision, back to you.